the guide about the use of automation in industrial cleaning. The European Water Jetting Institute created the Automation Group as a part of the Asset Integrity Working Group, mainly as a meeting point to share and exchange experiences between asset owners, contractors, and manufacturers. This group delivered the Institute's Automation Guide, which aims to demonstrate the advantages of automation, explain what equipment is needed, how the work should be planned and carried out, what personnel is needed, as well as describe other considerations to carry out the operation successfully. The contents of this guide are: automation in industrial cleaning, equipment, use and maintenance, operations, working methods, planning and pre-operational procedures, operational procedures, hazardous waste, and more. This publication was possible thanks to the European Water Jetting Institute members and the association's funds designed for the development of informative guides. The Automation Working Group was formed by. If you are interested in this guide, it is available in our website, as well as other contents about the European Water Jetting Institute.